Hello guys, today we will learn the Agentic AI. From concepts to productions we will learn here. Mainly we will learn what types of agents are, what is architectures, ReAct, LangGraph, component like MCP tool, A to A orchestration, guardrails and deployment. So if I see what is an agent. Agent is autonomous system that perceive, reason, act, and learn. So if I see the agent definition, an AI agent is a system that perceives its environment, maintain internal states, make decision using an LLM, takes actions by a tool, enter and iterate until the goal is completed. Without a step-by-step human interaction, it will take the action based on how the LLM observability or planner decided to go with the plan. It seems like first it will perceive, then to do the reasons and then act, and then after that it will. So for that you need to define the goal. Then you define the steps, that is multi-step, then also define the state, persistent state, and then also define the tools. So that's all in. Types of agents are simple reflex agent. It will work on the only perceptions only, no memory. You can say the rule based, if and else conditions like. Then model based, maintain internal world model handled by partial observability, navigation assistant. Then goal based, works backward from the desired state and plans sequence of actions and then it will complete the task. Then utility based agent, it will use the maximum utility functions and get the outcomes. Then there is a learning agent which will improve over the time by the feedback loops. Then there is a multi-agent systems. It will collaborate multi-agents and compete the role and orchestrate how it would be. How build agent system? First, you need to choose the LLM, either open source or there might be the API. So Google GPT 4o API, then Olama, Gemini, anything. Then second, you define the goal. That is clearly define the task prompts, what is the conditions and what is the expected. Then third, give the two tools like web search, code access, APIs, DVs, that's all. And also for each tools define the schema and functions and name. Fourth one, add memory. There are two type of memory. First is short-term memory, which is cover the masses window context. Then long-term memory, which is vector store. You can store the like chunk as well as history in it and past conversation. You can summarize it for fast. Build the loop. It is like observe, reason, act, and again observe. Is it completed the goal or not? So then it comes in the figure the ReAct frameworks. So reason and act framework. What is ReAct? Instead of answering immediately, LLM generated explicit thought, actions, and observation trace before producing a final answers. This creates a transparent debugging loop where each state is visible. What is the outcome of that? It reduces the hallucination by the grounding evidence, enable tools used within the reasoning chain, human readable decision traces by that outcome. So see the example. So like User asks what is the population of Tokyo, and it will thought I need to search the current population's data. They will go to the Google search and search the Tokyo population till 2025, and then result it will come 13.96 million. Thought I have answers, no more tools needed. Answers will be reflected to the user. Tokyo has 13.6 million residents as of components of AI isn't LLM brain, as I said, tool registry, you need to build a tool, then memory, state manager, then planner, that is orchestrator, and at last. So that is all about the agent architects, how it look like. We'll further look out in the next video how to implement simple frameworks like LangGraph to execute and complete the task in agent systems. So that's all today video of